So you have a pair of AirPods Pro, either the first generation or the second generation, and you have an issue where one of the pods is working and the other one is not. I'm going to show you how to fix that, okay? So there's a couple solutions, okay? So the first one is just try to do a factory reset, okay? So first, both of the buds are in here, and if you look on the back here, you have this one little button here, okay? So we're going to open this up first. And then with this button here, we're going to press and we're going to hold it for about 20 seconds. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. And I'm going to keep on holding here for about 20 seconds or until I see the light here turn amber or orange. Okay, so I'm still holding onto that button on the back. Still holding here, waiting for it to turn amber. Oh, there it is. Go ahead and let go. Wait for it to go back to blinking white here, meaning it's in pairing mode, and the factory reset is done. Okay. So now go ahead and open it back up, pair it to your phone or your TV or whatnot, and see if both of the buds now work. If not, then another step that we can do is, let's say for instance, this side here is not working, okay? So what you can do is, a lot of times there's an issue with the connectors, okay? If you look inside here, there's actually two connectors. There's one directly on the bottom and one like a little bit down the bottom to the left side here, okay? So what you can do is you can blow in this part really hard, like this. Blow really hard, pop it back in there, make sure it is charged, and then see if it is working now. If it's still not working, go ahead and blow even harder in there, okay? And if it's still not working, then another option is, if you have some like rubbing alcohol, simply dip a little bit into get like a Q-tip here, and then what you want to do is just a little bit of damp there, go down in there on the contact and kind of swirl around like this, okay? All in there like that. And the same thing. After that, pop it back in there. Make sure that it has a little bit of a charge, and then go ahead and pair it, and then try to see if both buds are working. Now, if it's still not working, try the alcohol again. Okay. Now, I tried all these steps one time where I found actually one of these cases, and what I had to do was I ended up using the dust off here, or like a compressed air. You just want to put that in there like that, and then pop it in there and try the same thing, and hopefully it works. All right, most of you guys should be up and running now. All right, good luck.